When I've received the new Arduino Uno R4, you need to go to the Arduino IDE download. The latest version as of today is 234. Once you have downloaded this, it will be in your download folder. Run this Arduino IDE 234, install it. After the installation, you will come to this folder. Right click and spin to start, which I've already done, and run it. When the IDE is loaded, go to Tools, Board, Arduino AVR Boards, and look for Arduino Uno R4. It is not listed here. Arduino Uno is not compatible with the Arduino Uno R4 Minima that you have. Go to the board manager. If you click on the select board, select other boards and ports. These are the disabled Arduino that is not installed on this IDE. If I were to scroll down to Arduino Uno, I can see that Arduino Uno R4 Minima, Arduino Uno R4Wifi by default is not available. Therefore, go to this area in the board manager, look for Arduino Uno boards and install it. This is how the installation looks like. Go to the board manager, look for Arduino Uno R4 boards and install it. Successfully installed platform. Now the board is already installed. If I were to come back here in, we'll take a look and see if it's still disabled. Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi is now enabled and is available for testing. I have received a Arduino Uno R4 Minima Wi-Fi version from China. I have uninstalled the COM tree. I'm going to plug this in and see if it can detect the COM tree. I will now scan for hardware changes again. This is still not recognized. It seems that the Arduino Uno R4 board is not recognized when I connect to the COM. I will now try to connect back to my old Arduino Mega 2560. Arduino Mega 2560 is recognized. I will now unplug this and put the Arduino Uno R4 back in again. This is still not recognized. I've tested for quite some time, it's quite a waste. This is from China. Can you see the logo? It's different. If it's made in Italy, it will say made in Italy. For my testing, it doesn't work. I've tested about 6 hours and I give up. I am returning this item back to China for a refund.
Subscribe.